So, alcohol, tobacco, weed, vape are one poison. Another poison is wasting your time chasing a woman. Another poison is wasting your time trying to logically explain your feelings to a woman. Another poison is wasting your time waiting for a woman to come to you. Another poison is not realizing the worth of time and not realizing the worth of working on yourself and developing some expertise in yourself. Another poison is wasting all your time on pleasures and entertainment and not making the good use of it, failing to build some skill, some talent, some expertise in you. So boys, these are all poisons. Do not try to, impress people. Be impressive, but do not try to waste your time, effort, energy into impressing people. Use all your time or energy or effort to turn yourself into somebody who is impressive. And then do not waste your time into harmful, addictive, external agents which may give you high for a moment of time but which are killing you from inside in the long run. And also do not waste your time only on entertainment and pleasures. Always know that your life depends on the growth of your life depends on what you can give, what you can offer to the world, to the society. And unless you develop something useful in yourself for the society, this society will not give anything to you. And if you will fail in getting abundance and affluence and value from this society for yourself, there will be no growth, there will be no progress. Eventually you'll find yourself standing at a place where you are failed and where you are a burden not on others but on yourself.